Who's here? Yeah. Who's here? Polly Botsy's here. Yeah. What's the matter, huh? You get her, not me.
Oh. Come over this way.
Which way? This way?
The light. There we go.
Hey. Hi. Aw, you're a good kitty cat. Yes, you are. You're a good kitty cat. Good kitty cat.
What's your name?
Yeah, who are you? Where did you come from?
Machka.
Yeah. Hey. Say hi. Say, I'm a Heba Haba. Are you a Heba Haba? Are you Dutch? Or are you English? What's the matter? What's the matter? Yeah, you're a good kitty. You're a good kitty. Hey. Put your paws down. No scratching. There's no scratching. Ooh, you want to go down? I know. You're not going to go down. Hey. You're not going to go down. What's that? Ooh. Who is that? Is that enough? That brush scared her.
Mm-hmm.
On the grill, that brush scared her earlier.
Oh.
Hey, what's the matter, huh? You want to come on the table?
Is she going to have some more to drink?
Ooh. Get her on the table there.
Get her a bowl of water for her.
I don't know. Wait. Yeah, I'll see if she'll drink it. Oh, here. Want some more water? Ooh, come on. There we go. No water? I think she had enough water.
It's dark over there.
I'll pick her up. Oh, look at her. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Here.
If you're going to have her do tricks, do it on the table.
Well. There's the water. There's the water, huh? Yeah, that's not good there. She is. Come on. Shake your paw. Shake your paw. Here, come on. Shake your paw. Shake your paw. Shake your paw. Ooh. Ooh. You don't want the water there. Yeah. Here. Now. What? Come on. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on.
She's going to eat.
Yeah, let her eat. Yeah, she is.
She wants some more of her chicken dinner. Oh, that's kind of dark.